Fujian Tulou, the iconic ancient Chinese residential architecture, is widely recognized, and I believe many people have already visited them. This time, my friend and I traveled to Sanming, another city in Fujian, to explore several lesser-known earthen fortresses. Tubao, defensive dwellings with residential functions, are considered the architectural predecessors of Tulou and were originally built for defense against bandits and invaders. We visited two earthen fortresses, Anzhen Fortress and Shuimei Earthen Fortress Group. The ingenious design and meticulous details of Anzhen Fortress left me in awe, while the rustic charm and natural surroundings of Shuimei Earthen Fortress Group were unexpectedly captivating. What also amazed me is the city of Sanming. Although it's just a small city in China, it boasts an excellent natural environment with a high forest coverage rate, earning it the title of the Green Capital. Shaxian County is also famous for Shaxian delicacies like wontons, peanut butter noodles, and stewed beef. These dishes are celebrated as part of China's national intangible cultural heritage.